Close your eyes. Visualize a golden horizon. Walk for peace, monks.
I've missed you so much. Can you feel it? The magic? It never truly fades. It just waits for the world to be still again. People ask me, Michael, where have you been? And I tell them, I've been right here in every beat of your heart. The world is so noisy now, isn't it? So much pain, so much rushing. But for the next 30 minutes, I want you to forget all of that. Let's heal the world together, starting right here, inside of you. Close your eyes. Visualize a golden horizon. Walk with the monks. Feel the innocence of the children, and let the tears of joy wash away the dust. Your heart is the most beautiful stage there is. Be still and let the love begin. I love you more. God bless you.
Across the dusty miles, under the burning sun, their golden robes are shining. The journey has begun. No words are spoken loud, but the heart can hear the call. A message of pure kindness, meant for one and all. I see a child is laughing where shadows used to be. The elders wipe their tears away, finally feeling free. The sick find strength to stand, a glimmer in their eye, as the monks of peace go walking beneath the open sky. Heal the world with every step. Let the love flow through, bringing smiles to the little one, and the spirit born anew. From the sorrow to the joy, see the miracles unfold in the footsteps of the peaceful. A story to be told. Can you feel it? Can you see it? Tears of joy are pouring down like rain, washing away the hurt, washing away the pain. Just keep on walking. Walking for peace, for the children, for the world. We are
I love you more. God bless you.